Muli po sa inyong lahat, sa mga kasamahan natin sa media, mga vloggers, I hope you can share this information to the community so that they can also, among themselves, continue to practice and be aware that the possibility of such catastrophe or effects of the big one in Metro Manila. This may not suffice or maaaring hindi ito sasapat agad-agad, but through practice and muscle memory, one way or another, we may limit the possibility of casualty by being prepared. And also, at the same manner, we can also assess the technology that we utilize, the health department, to address possible huge numbers of affected areas. So muli sa inyo, maraming salamat sa pakikisa. And now, let's begin the first huge and so many to come CIMEX simulation exercise with regard to earthquake.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tayo rin po ay pinagagalap ng simulation of the fire, simulation of flight structure and extreme breakthroughs, medical response, first aid. Ginawang po dito, lalo na po sa intramuros area.
Talagang sinadya na malaki din. Usually, di ba, CIMEX, CLA lang. Pinalaki na iba't ibang sa libyan, life structure,
Yung areas na pupuntahan sa identified
na kasi meron na kayo mga things.
Ramaksa ako.
Kaya kailangan, kasi patayin yung city. Kasi nothing is only the local government from within. Anong magiging reaction? This is part of it. This is the effects of that.
What's your coordination?
Ano din eh, bro?
Opo, kasi na po masyado. Wala lang daw pisang dito sa
Nasaan ba din? Guys, as you can see, nag-dito tayo. So, yung bago natin biling complete as far as Quezon City. So, in a real-time scenario, you can come with better decision making. Because you have a visual situation ng isang activities na nangyayari sa isang lugar. So, kami kami dito. Yung thermal, ganito yun. The logic behind the technology is, di ba ba, this is a collapse.
Makikita.
This is a collapse. Ano natin malalaman kung may tao? Through thermal capacity. You can see, oh, may utaw pa roon. Pwede kami mag-respond. Sa surgical patient, kasi ang inaabata namin, limited resources. It's not because it is limited, because the event is so huge, it depleted your, so how will you utilize limited resources in such scale? Kaya kailangan lagi efficient. So, timely, you can good morning, mga batang intramuros.
Naririnig.
Naririnig nila. Oo. Yung naalala mo isang araw tayo.
Oo, sir.
O, kaway-kaway nga kayo sa hangin. Si Ormito. Tingin kayo sa hangin, sa langit. Mga batang intramuros. Mga taga-ano.
Port Chancha.
Lyceum. Mga batang Lyceum. Kaway-kaway.
Para pala kayo nilipit ng CCTV sa area, sir.
Even we can direct, order, guide an individual through via air or communicating with them. Kasi, you never know.
Dadagdag pa, sir, yung Manila natin.
Oo. Okay. Tingin kayo bang po?
Pwedeng mag-zoom. Huli ka, boy.
Shout out to sa naka-blue na number 18. Pin ka sa taas.
Nahimik maka-call out eh. Oh.
Yes, sabi ko po, hindi ko rin na po.
Baba mo pa mo, boy.
Yes po, kasi po.